y'all, it's your girl Tiara, aka Heavenlyerra, and I am back with another video. In today's video, you guys, I'm finally going to show y'all my patio. Finally. I know I took forever, but I've been doing so many different things in this patio, y'all. It's not even funny. I've been ordering stuff, trying different things. This stuff didn't work, so I had to send it back. I'm finally ready to show you guys. I'm so excited about how it came out. It's so cozy, so homey, and it just looks like it's an extension of my apartment, which I am super excited about. I did all of this myself. I did everything in my whole apartment by myself, but so I'm gonna get right into this video and show you guys exactly what I came up with. So if you all watched my DIY carpet video, you'll see these were the tiles that I placed down. If you have not checked that out, I'll link that down below so you can check that out. So over here, I'm going to get started with the corner. This shelf right here, I got from Amazon. This flower came from Five Below. This candle came from Five Below. This here came from Ross. This came from Ross as well. I need to try to figure out how to turn this on, but it's like a lantern thingy. Right here are my favorite books right now. Well, these are my favorite books of all time. The Secret is my #1. Then I have the 4 Agreements, The Alchemist, and I have a devotional book called 52 Weeks with Jesus. This plant right here came from Big Lots. This throw I don't remember where I got it from. This wicker basket here I got from Big Lots as well. This table I got from Amazon. I have a candle here because I love candles everywhere. I have this candle. I got this from, where I got this from? Big Lots. I have this DVD player from Amazon. I know y'all are probably wondering why I have a DVD player, but I have a lot of DVDs that are my favorite classics, and so I need a DVD player to watch them. And I got this TV. I believe this is a 24-inch Vizio TV. I got from OfferUp. I bought it from somebody. This plant I got from Home Depot. This board here I got from Big Lots, and I can change the words. I decided to put a quote on here. Now I did my curtains. So I got these curtains from Amazon, but I did also end up putting some curtain lights under them, which is cute. It goes way up here. Now this set here came from Amazon. These pillows, I got these from Big Lots. Thought they were really nice. Now this cord here, that's to, go to my curtain lights. I am going to get another extension cord because I hate the fact that I can see that cord right there. So I'm going to change that. This right here, I believe this came from Big Lots as well. I got me another plant from Home Depot, and the same candle that's over there, I got 2 of them from Big Lots. Now this lamp right here, well, this bulb I got from Amazon. I just changed the one that they had up there. I love the fact that you cannot see my cord. I hid it up under the door. And this rug I got from Amazon as well. I was supposed to put this rug in my room, but I changed my mind, and I thought it was going to be cute out here. So once it gets dark, I'm going to come back out here and show you all how it looks at night with everything lit up and looking super cute and super cozy. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all gained some inspiration, and I hope I lived up to your expectations, because y'all was ready. Y'all was ready to see what I came out with. You guys, this officially concludes my apartment series. I am so excited. My apartment series really helped my YouTube channel, and at this point, y'all, there's nothing else for me to do. Everything is done, and we're here. We finally made it. It is a wrap. Thank you all so much for tuning in to my apartment series. I'll link the playlist below so you can check out all of my videos so you can see my apartment journey. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with me. Turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I pop up with my next video. And I'll see you all next time in my next